And it's now time for the business review. It cannot be business as usual. That's the word from lending institutions which have been implementing non-traditional practices to keep their businesses afloat. Andrew Laidley explains.
Since the start of Covid-19 in Jamaica, lenders started to notice that some borrowers were becoming delinquent. In some cases, lenders have offered moratoriums and deferred payment options to struggling clients. But in order to keep the business alive, the lenders themselves need cash. CEO of First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union, Roxanne Linton, says getting more cash in the system became the #1 priority for credit unions.
The umbrella organization of the credit union movement, the Jamaica Credit Union League, would have lobbied the central bank, the BOJ, for liquidity support. Yes. And the BOJ would have had to do shifting in terms of their legislation to accommodate that.
After consultations with the regulator, she says credit unions started to see a light at the end of the tunnel.
There is a $4 billion facility in place to provide that liquidity support to credit unions in need, or given the length, the potential length of this pandemic, who may become in need at some point.
Over on the microfinancing side, acting president of the Jamaica Microfinancing Association, JAMFA, Andrew Mays, explained that the transformation has been continuous.
It is shifting almost daily, given the changing circumstances that has been brought on by COVID-19. A lot of our microfinance institutions have had to be constantly changing and shifting policies and requirements in response to the specific situation that our clients face. So it's been really dynamic. In many cases, it has been dramatic.
He says microfinanciers have abandoned some of the traditional credit adjudication practices in recognition that they are operating in unusual times.
Given the history of the clients with our business, to go a little bit into some unsecured lending. Risky, yes, but because we've developed a relationship with our clients over time, we're able to sense where they are and where they can possibly be. And we look at the opportunities that they sit and discuss with us to say, despite this crisis, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. And we're able to create those products that can fit those needs.
In the meantime, Ms. Linton noted that lenders have become more involved in the social welfare of their clients, recognizing that psychology will go a long way in determining which firms emerge from the pandemic successfully.
It's so important to have that kind of close relationship. That lender-member, lender-borrower relationship is so essential, because it also provides that emotional support, not only just on the financial side, but emotional support to withstand the challenges of COVID.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.